So this go around, we're gonna change the transmission fluid on this 1992 Polaris 252 stroke 6x6 Big Boss. So what we got here first, what size socket is this? Here's a 13 millimeter. Yep, 13 millimeter. We're gonna come up here. These don't have a dipstick like the newer ones. This guy here, gonna come out, do that now. And you can check the levels of the tranny. And it has a dipstick on the plug here. And once I get that out, I will show you. I believe you have to put it in order to check the level. So you can kind of see on here, but there. Anyways, that's how you check the level. I believe there's a notch on there that you can see in between two notches. You're good. So that's the first step. Get your plug out, and now we're gonna go underneath, and you have to back a screw off. Or nut. To get started, take a peek at that. Let's see here. Where is that at? This guy here is the plug. So you have, this bolt tightens to the frame. You'll have to take this nut and back it off and bring the screw in order to get that off to drain. So that's what I'll do next. Probably won't have it on film. But anyways, back this one off, tighten this one in a certain distance, and then you'll be able to spin this out to drain the plug. Alright, so that was at 9/16. Yeah, it's gonna be a little while to get that out. Backing off about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch. We'll see. Because the further this goes back, the more that other one can go in. So that's all that works. Drain this one out. And I'll come back and tell you what size that is on the other side, and that's all further it goes back. So you can see that. I can't see very good, but I'm gonna try to get something on the head of this one here. It looks like that might fit. There. So you stem that one in, and I don't want to sit and show you this. I'll come back after I get it out. Turns out that's actually not the drain. It's on the other side. I thought it was, but it didn't seem right. So, go around the other side. And right below your drain plug. So there's the drain plug. Go down. And it should be right over here. It's this guy. That's your drain plug. So some of them have it on the other side, but that's this guy here. So I'm gonna get a socket for that and drop her out. All right, so we got a 17 millimeter socket. Get on my back here. Broke it free a minute ago, so here we go. Don't drop your bolt. Let's get here. Oops. Sorry, not filming. And there we go. Look at that nice stuff. Maybe it should be a little thicker than that, but I'll show you what I'm gonna use. It's gear loop. What has ever been done before? On the head of the bolt. That one's magnetized. Seems pretty thin. It smells like cow manure. Anyways, I'll let that drain. I'll show you what I'm going to put it in. So with that, some really fine metal flakes on it. I got a screwdriver out and started digging around inside that magnet, going around the edges. Had kind of a small cone of gunk on top. There's a crush washer on here, but yeah, I'm gonna reinstall this and I'll show you what I'm going to use for fluid. Pennzoil gear lubricant SAE 8EW-90. Multi-purpose, provides maximum wear and protection. This is 32 fluid ounces. I might need some more, so I'm going to start with this and see how full it gets. Plug back in. You just use that tip right inside there. Squirt it in. All right, so just tighten it back on. So this, you just go in here. Hopefully it reaches. Got a wire in my way. Anyways, squirt it in there. So I made a little extension to my tube. Squirting her in. See how much we get in here. So you may need to add a little bit of plastic tubing to get back that far. Not a big deal. I see some electrical tape. You can stay there forever. It's long enough to get it in. Alright, I'll put back together. Got the plug in the transmission. Got the transmission dipstick back in. There. Filled her up with 8W90. She's good to go. If you like this video, like and subscribe. 1992 Polaris 252 stroke Big Boss 6x6. Looking pretty good. Thanks for watching.